So today we are playing a board game, and this game is called Cooking Up Sentences. Since we got it a few months ago, we've only opened it up once. And this game is designed to help with grammar and the use of certain words in sentences. And so you can see here they have the parts of speech, a little review. So we have noun, verb, adjective, pronoun, conjunction, preposition, articles, and adverbs. What you do is you pick them out of the bag and you arrange them into sets that you. So we gotta put fruity ingredients in the middle.
Right here.
Thank you. And so you pick a recipe, and there's actually one recipe on the back and one recipe on the other side.
Brownies and pie. I'm going for brownies and pie. Brownies and pie. I got me some brownies and pie.
Okay, we're ready to start. So this one's the one you're doing? So we are gonna go ahead and continue the game, and make sure you come back and check our other videos for other game reviews. Don't forget, you can always check my site for free educational resources. Thanks so much for watching.